Alright, so here is our setup. We have a Canon EOS 7D. And so what type of helicopter is this?
It's a kind of a one-off. It originally started life as a line T-Rex 700 and grew from there. It's really
And so you just weight requirements and things like that, you've kind of modified quite a bit to get it to where it needs to be?
oh yeah. There's really nothing bone stock on this.
Very
belly,
cool.
So it's kind of our safety life.
That's quite a bit of battery going on there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Hopefully. Actually, you know what?
It's really cool. There's nothing wrong with duct tape and bubble gum, right?
That's right.
That's called R&D.
That's not gonna work.
I'm not seeing any duct tape and bubble gum, so that's good.
Well, first test flight, so you would have.
Alright, give me that bungee cord. Let's try that this time.
Figured Bob wouldn't want to mount his camera on this bad boy if he continued to see duct tape.
So a couple $100 digital cameras later, and this is where you're at, right?
We've never stuffed one.
Oh, nice.
Surprisingly.
Oh, very good.
You know, we've actually, I mean, it's really safe. We've got perfect track record. You know, there's a lot of systems on here, dual, triple redundancy systems that are in place to prevent any issues from happening. So, you know.
Very cool.
Okay, so I'm actually going to be testing right now. I haven't even tried. Got a video downlink, but I haven't tried. I have an overview system on here.
Oh, really?
So,
Oh, okay.
an overlay gives me all the vitals of the helicopter.
Oh, nice.
So let me go.
So it's a real heads-up display then.
It's got